Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop sharing Instagram Reels on Facebook, step by step. So if you want more control over your posts, stick around, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Step 1. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Now go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Step 3, once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 lines at the upper right side of the screen to open the menu. This will open settings and privacy of your account settings. Step 4, in your settings, tap on Accounts Center. This is where you manage connected accounts like Facebook and Instagram. Step 5, under Connected Experiences, now tap on Sharing Across Profiles. This is where you control what gets shared between your Instagram and Facebook profiles. Step 6, tap on your Instagram account to adjust the sharing settings specifically for Instagram. Step 7, in the Automatically Share section, find the option for Instagram Reels and toggle it off to disable it. This will stop your Reels from being shared automatically to Facebook. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.